Good morning, class 1. Welcome to your literature class, children. So, today we'll start with a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is The Belly and the Members. Okay, chapter number 7. So, open your book at page number 6565. We'll do this chapter today, The Belly and the Members. Okay, here you can see on the first page you can see some parts of our body, means hand. These are some parts of our hand and the names are given here. Okay, so let us see what to be done. Draw a line from each word to the correct part of the body. Children, you know that there are different parts of our body: head, eyes, nose, ear, chin, cheek, lips, neck, shoulder. Then if we go to the downside, then belly, stomach, isn't it? Legs, isn't it? So these are the name of the different parts of our body, isn't it? So we learn about the different parts of our body and a very interesting story related to this in this chapter, and especially about the belly, means the stomach. Okay, let us see. And first of all, what you have to do is see here the names of the part are given and here the pictures are given. These are all the part of a hand. You can somewhere you can see finger, nail, wrist. So what you have to do, you have to draw a line. See what is the name written here. You have to show them, identify the name. For example, first one, elbow. Which one is elbow? See, this one is our elbow, right? This part is elbow. So here you can see elbow. What you have to do, you have to join this like this way. You have to join. So let us do together. We'll do it together. So the first one, elbow. From here you will make a line and join here this way as I have done. Elbow. Okay, next one is nail. So here you can see nail, long nails, beautiful nails, isn't it? So you have to connect it with number 2, nail. How you will do? This way you can do it. It's your choice. This way you can make and connect them. Nail. Next one is finger. So you can see finger here. Fingers. How many fingers do we have? 10 fingers, right? 5 finger in one hand, 5 fingers in one hand. So let us join this one, finger. This way you will make a line and join. See? Fingers, right? 5 fingers. Next one, let us do arm. So we will do arm here. How can we join it? We can join it like this. Oh, sorry, this way I have made a line. It has gone from here again. It has taken a turn here. You can draw it straight also. You can draw it straight, arms, right? So this way you can join it directly also. You can do it. Okay, this way if you do this is arm, right? This is arm. You can join. I have by mistake and I have gone to this side and again I have come here. You can put a straight line, arm here. Okay, then comes the wrist. Okay, wrist. This is wrist. Okay, this portion is called wrist. So you'll join wrist this way. Straight we can do. This is wrist. Okay, this one is wrist. This one is wrist. This portion is called wrist. WRIST, wrist. Okay, and next one is forearm. Forearm here. This is forearm, right? So you can do this one like this, forearm. Straightly we can make it, forearm, right? You can identify this, forearm, wrist, finger, nail, all this you have. These are fingers, right? This is wrist, isn't it? Then these are nails given here. Then arm, this is arm, right? Then forearm, this total one is forearm isn't it? So this is this part is forearm. Okay, so this way we have shown, and the elbow also we have shown here, right? So these are the different parts of our hand, and in this chapter we will learn about the different yeah, about some of the parts of our body, and what is the discussion going on between the different parts of the organ related to one particular part of the body. Okay, so we'll learn about a discussion that they are on with, okay, with especially one part of the body. Okay, when we'll read the chapter we'll know what they are talking to each other about that particular part of the body. Okay, let us see what happens when the parts of our body decide not to work. Now what happened, see children, if one part of our body stop working, then what happened? It hampers us, isn't it? So all the parts should work together so that our body can function accordingly. Everywhere, not only this body, but even if you think of the school, if all the teachers are teaching well, if all the students are writing well, if the principal is looking after the school well, then what happened? The school will go on properly, isn't it? There will be no problem. So if the teacher is not teaching, and if the students are not coming to the school, they are not listening, and if the teacher is teaching, students are playing, so will it be fruitful? No, isn't it? Will not get a good result. All should work in a coordination, isn't it? In this way our body organ, all the parts of our body, they work in a coordination. If one part stop work, then the rest of the body, it cannot work properly. So we should have a coordination among us, isn't it? So this part of the body, they coordinate with each other. One, they have got their definite particular function. If our legs stop walking, can we do our work? No. If the legs say they, okay, will not walk, will not help you to work. If the brain stop thinking, can you work? No, no. So this way what happened, one day what happened, all the parts of the body, so some parts of our body, they decide we will not work. Okay, so this is the story relating to this. Okay, so we will start the story. Let us see. In the next day we'll start, just we'll begin the first part and then we'll discuss the next part. One day various parts of human body, like the brain, arms, legs, eye, feet, hands and lung, they get together. There was a get together, as you also have get together sometime frequently, right? At times we need some refreshment and we meet, isn't it? We meet with our friends and all. So these days what happened, due to corona and also we are not having this get-togethers frequently, right? Because we are maintaining social distance and all. So one day, it's about a normal time, so the various part of the body, it's an imagination. Okay, so they thought of a get together, they wanted to meet. So the brain, arms, legs, eyes, feet, hands and lungs, okay, they decide they discuss the body's belly, and they discuss about, when we meet with our friend, we discuss about various things around us. So they were discussing about the belly, the stomach. Okay, they think about what the belly does to help the body work properly, and they think about what the belly does. So they were thinking, what is the function of belly? Okay, what is the work of the belly to help the body to work properly, in order to, for the body, in order to help the body to work properly, what is the function of belly? And in the next part we'll go through the discussion, what they were discussing and what is their view, and what is the conclusion. We'll learn about this in the next part. Okay, so we'll stop here for today. Next day we'll continue with page number 66. Okay, we will do this page number 66 in the next class. Okay, till then you go on reading, you read whatever we have done in today's class. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.